Oh, yeah. Can I climb in as well, please?
Okay.
Okay. Wow, this thing looks nice. Kind of smells like a new car.
This is a new.
Yeah.
Another one. We have one like this in Batangas North.
Yeah. But it's old.
Okay. You
Yeah.
can see it.
So this is the horn pour, right?
Yeah, okay. That's it.
Yeah.
Horn and the syringe over there, and then the radio.
Yeah. So is it bawal to press the horn? Magbawal.
Bawal.
Oh,
The
okay.
residents will
Yeah. Yeah, kasi I wanted to hear like what the horn sounds like. Here, that's the horn. Oh yeah, it's alright. Kasi I wanted to hear like the sound of the horn and like what does it sound like?
I think you have to on.
Oh. Yes. Yeah, so it's short time lang, right?
Okay. Come, I show you.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe you have to transfer the other side.
This is gonna be quite loud. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Can I press again po?
Okay. Oh, okay.
Wow, that's the first time I heard the horn of the fire truck. That's very nice. Thank you po. Yeah, I'm sorry po.
Fuel.
It's quite loud. Okay, wow, this fire truck looks very nice. He's gonna go check the back. You got the hazard lights. Yeah, didn't expect him to hit the engine. Yeah, sorry about that, po.
Can I have for the record, sir?
Huh?
May I know your name?